Rachel pours the resin deep and slow. A black galaxy begins to grow. She adds the mica's glimmering light, a swirling cosmos in the night. Her hands move with a steady grace, creating a celestial space. The powder falls like distant stars in the tray behind the jars. A liquid sky of onyx hue, a universe made fresh and new. With every careful pour she sees a future set